Hello everyone, my name is Caroline Hinter and I'm the Education and Outreach Coordinator at the Guadalupe County Groundwater Conservation District. Today's presentation is all about graywater systems, what they are, how they work, why they matter, and how they might influence our water use in the future. I'm not going to walk you through a DIY graywater system at home because graywater has strict storage and application rules in the state of Texas. Instead, let's focus on the bigger picture, how graywater systems fit into water conservation and smarter infrastructure. Let's get started.
In my indirect potable reuse talk, I broke down toilet to tap and the challenges that arise with a phrase like this. So here's a more uplifting concept: showers to flowers and laundry to landscape. Graywater helps reduce reliance on drinking water by allowing us to reuse water for landscaping and other outdoor uses. But what is graywater and where does it come from? Graywater is gently used wastewater from showers, bathtubs, bathroom sinks, and laundry washing machines. These are the best sources because they typically contain only soap and dirt, not harmful contaminants. Graywater does not include water from toilets, diapers, or kitchen sinks. Once water comes into contact with human waste, food scraps, or grease, it becomes black water, which must go to a septic system or a sewer system, not your garden. Graywater, when properly filtered, can be reused, most commonly for outdoor irrigation. Black water must be heavily treated at a wastewater treatment facility. Let's review some benefits of using graywater. According to New Mexico State University, about 65% of household wastewater is graywater, so why not reuse it? It reduces stress on septic systems and wastewater treatment plants. It can extend the life of septic tanks. It saves water and money, and when set up properly, it waters plants automatically, and because of that, it saves time. Let's talk about how systems are usually set up. Most graywater systems are connected to laundry machines, showers, and bathroom sinks. These setups use diverter valves to either send water to your septic or to an outdoor irrigation zone. You'll see why these diverters are necessary in a little while. Now let's discuss what's going down your drain. What's in your soap matters. If you're reusing graywater, be careful about what's going down your drains. Avoid ingredients like boron, sodium, and chlorine bleach. These can harm plants and soil over time. A great alternative is Castile soap. It's plant-based, biodegradable, and works for everything from shampoo to laundry. So remember, natural over name brand when it comes to choosing soaps in a home that uses graywater. You might know someone who has a pipe from their laundry machine dumping water into their yard, but that's not necessarily legal under the Texas Administrative Code, or TAC. Regulations regarding graywater use in Texas require that graywater must be used on-site only, can't overflow onto the ground, must have the ability to divert 100% of the water back to septic or sewage, must only be used for approved purposes like landscape watering, dust control, or toilet flushing, must be monitored for E. coli monthly, and if you're installing a system, it must be recorded in the county deed records. So, spread the word and help your neighbors follow the law. Now let's talk about cost. The average cost of a graywater system is around $2,500, but that varies widely, from about $700 at a minimum to over $15,000 at the maximum, depending on complexity, plumbing, and whether it's a new construction or a retrofit. So after reviewing regulations, what can graywater be used for? Well, you can use it for watering your landscapes and trees. You can use it for dust control, which is important in Texas. You can use it to water your compost, and you can use it to help minimize foundation cracking. Graywater should never be used for drinking, cooking, bathing, or hand washing. Even with filters, graywater may contain pathogens that make it unsafe for direct human contact, so make sure it's primarily used outdoors. Let's go over a few more considerations to keep in mind before getting a graywater system. If you're thinking about using graywater for toilet flushing, be aware that you'll need a pump, a storage tank, and specific plumbing. It must pump directly into the bowl, not the tank, to avoid backflow and potential contamination. A few more things to keep in mind. Don't store gray water longer than 24 hours. It will start to smell and breed bacteria. Apply gray water directly to the soil, not through sprinklers, where pathogens could become airborne. Do not use gray water on root vegetables. Only use it on plants that grow from a vine or stem. Do not use gray water on plants that thrive in acidic soil, as gray water is alkaline. Only use gray water on established plants, not seedlings. And rotate gray water with fresh water to prevent salt buildup. These small adjustments can make a big difference in keeping your graywater system safe and sustainable.
In conclusion, Graywater Systems offer a practical way to make the most of water we already use by helping conserve fresh water, reducing the strain on septic systems, and supporting healthy landscapes. By understanding where graywater comes from, how it can safely be reused, and how we can follow rules and regulations, we can take smart steps towards a more sustainable future. Whether you're a homeowner or a water-conscious citizen, graywater reuse is one small change that can make a big impact. Keep up with water conservation, even after water goes down the drain. Thank you.